And how was your mental health when you were a new mom or in the early years of your motherhood?
Um, so what do you mean by how was my mental health? Any
When
specifics?
becoming a first time mother, it is altogether a very new experience.
Yeah,
And
there's a lot of anxiety.
yeah, okay. From where that anxiety was coming from, or what was that anxiety about, if you can pinpoint to some sense.
I think most of the time it was if you're doing the right thing for your child, you know, uh, if you are doing the right kind of a thing for your child, be it, you know, in the smallest of the thing, even in their nutrition, or if you just feel, or if sometimes if they're unwell, you just start questioning, oh my god, did I give him the right kind of a diet? Oh my god, did I do this right? But that's the anxiety which happens. And over a period of time, you have to calm down yourself and say that, like I said, when you take any decision, we always take it with the right intention. We never take a decision thinking, oh, I'm taking this decision so that everything should go wrong for me. It's only over a period of time when you feel if it was correct or if it was not correct. Coming back again, well, I felt personally, for me, I got so much engrossed into this that I think now, looking back, I think I should have, kind of given some time for myself and gotten away from all of this and had that little time off for me. Um so 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 yes, there was a lot of anxiety, there was a lot of questioning, that self doubt and self questioning, am I doing the right thing for my child? Be it getting the child into a school, or be it every single thing. And you have to stop having that self doubt all the time. Even today, I feel sometimes, oh, have I done the right thing? By getting certain, be it small thing like giving a gadget to him, or you just constantly feel that, is it the right thing that am I doing for my child, or is it? I think that anxiety, it's not so much now, but that thing will always be there with, especially when you have a child, because you always, no matter what age they reach, and it's like till today my mother will be like, uh, you know are you sure you want to do this? She'll be like, are you sure? But what if, but then again, everybody has their own journey. They all have to fall and they all have to rise.